Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe.
You land in Seoul. The airport is massive. The signs are unfamiliar, and suddenly, someone speaks to you. In Korean. You smile, but inside, you have no idea what's happening. What if you could respond? What if you could navigate, order food, ask for help, all in Korean, with confidence? In the next 15 minutes, I'm going to give you 30 essential Korean phrases that will completely transform your travel experience. No fluff, just what you actually need. Let's begin. Section 1. Greetings. First impressions. In Korea, respect matters. So let's start strong. Phrase 1. 안녕하세요. Hello. Polite. Safe. Use it everywhere. Phrase 2. 안녕히 계세요. Goodbye. When you are leaving. Phrase 3. 안녕히 계세요. Goodbye. When they are leaving. Phrase 4. 잘 지내세요? How are you? Phrase 5. 감사합니다. Thank you. Very important. Section 2. Politeness. Culture matters. Phrase 6. 죄송합니다. I'm sorry. Formal and respectful. Phrase 7. 실례합니다. Excuse me. Use when getting attention or passing by. Phrase 8. 괜찮아요. It's okay. Phrase 9. 네. Yes. Phrase 10. 아니요. No. Section 3. Getting help. Phrase 11. 영어 할 수 있어요? Can you speak English? Phrase 12. 잘 모르겠어요. I don't understand. Phrase 13. 다시 한번 말씀해 주세요. Please say that again. Phrase 14. 도와주세요. Please help me. Phrase 15. 화장실 어디요? Where is the restroom? Section 4. Navigation. Phrase 16. 이곳 어디요? Where is this? Phrase 17. 어디요? Where is? Phrase 18. 여기 어디요? Where am I? Phrase 19. 이 전철은 가요? Does this subway go to? Phrase 20. 얼마요? How much is it? Section 5. Dining. Phrase 21. 메뉴 주세요. Menu, please. Phrase 22. 이거 주세요. I'll have this. Phrase 23. 맛있어요. It's delicious. Phrase 24. 물 주세요. Water, please. Phrase 25. 계산 주세요. The bill, please. Section 6. Shopping and daily use. Phrase 26. 이것 뭐예요? What is this? Phrase 27. 조금 싸게 해주세요. Please make it cheaper. Phrase 28. 카드 돼요? Can I pay by card? Phrase 29. 현금만 돼요? Cash only. Phrase 30. 알겠습니다. I understand. And there you have it. 30 essential Korean phrases that can completely change your trip. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to sound native. You just need to try. Because in Korea, even a small effort earns big respect. So save this. Practice it. And when you land in Korea, you won't feel lost. You'll feel ready. Enjoy the journey. And see you in Seoul.
That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.